Hi, in this video we'll be taking a look at how to add fractions with different denominators. Okay, so I have made a video that was actually screen recorded for adding fractions with the same denominators, i.e. the same bottom numbers. So feel free to check that out actually by clicking on the card above. Okay, but in today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to add fractions and subtract them when the numbers on the bottom are different. Okay. Right guys, we will start with question number 1. I've got a half plus a third. Now when the bottom numbers are different, I've got to find what I call a common denominator. So I've got to find a number that goes into both of those times tables. Okay, so it's what I call the lowest common multiple, so the LCM of a number. Okay, so for question 1, guys, the LCM of 2 and 3, well, that's usually worked out by multiplying the two bottom numbers together. But there are exceptions to that rule, and I'm going to explain that exception when we look at question number 4, guys. Okay, so a half plus a third, guys. So 2 times 3 is 6. So I can write both fractions out of 6, guys. Okay, so a half is equal to 3/6. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 6. Remember that when I multiply the bottom by number, I times the top by the same number in order to make it equivalent. For 1/3 times 2 is 2/6. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2. I've got 3/6 plus 2/6. That's now under a common denominator, so I can just add 3 and 2, and I get 5/6. Okay. This is question number 2. 2/5 add 1/4. Well, again, finding the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. So looking at my 5 times table and my 4 times table, or alternatively multiplying the two bottom numbers together. 5 times 4 is 20. So 2/5 is equivalent to 8 out of 20. 1/4 is equal to 5 out of 20, so it's 8/20 plus 5/20, which equals 13/20. Okay, so make it under the same denominator, and then I can just add or subtract the numbers. This is question number 3, guys. Okay, 3/7 plus 4/9. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is do 7 times 9, which is 63. So 3/7 is equal to 27 out of 63. Okay, and 4/9 is 28 out of 63. Okay, so I've times 3/7 by 9. Okay, so 7 times 9 is 63. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 7 is 28. And 9 times 7 is 63. Okay. So I've got 27/63 plus 28 over 63, which is equal to 55 over 63, okay? So the answer is 55 out of 63, okay, for my answer. Okay, this is question number 4, guys. I've got 10/15 minus 2/3. Now this one, like I said, guys, so sometimes finding the lowest common denominator, I don't always have to multiply the numbers. I recognize that 3 goes into the 15 times table, so I can leave that as 10/15 and then just change this to 6 out of 15, because 3 times 5 is 15, so 2 times 5 is 10, sorry. Okay, so I have 10/15 minus 10/15, which is equal to 0/15. Okay, so the answer to question 4 is just equal to 0, okay, because 2/3 is equivalent to 10/15. Okay. Right, guys, so that takes us to the end of the video. So I hope you found it useful. Hope you found it informative. If you did, please press like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Okay, and lastly, please turn on post notifications by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads on this channel for Key Stage 3, GCSE and A-Level Maths. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you for the next one. Okay, goodbye for now.